He's so cute.
Just looking at us.
He's watching us, watching. There are lots of beautiful places around our property with native trees that are supposed to attract lots of gorgeous little native birds. And I can see that our landlord loved birds before us. I really want to keep encouraging the native species, the wallabies, the wombats, the birds, to keep coming back and to feel safe. So I've got some water that I want to put out and some troughs that need some cleaning and redoing. I also want to make a couple of little bird houses and put some seeds out to encourage them as well. The most important thing when you're giving water to a bird is to put rocks in it or something that lets them know how deep the water is. It also helps to weigh it down, so it's pretty cool. Not for you, silly. Oh my gosh, Eris. It's for birds. Alright, so as far as water goes, I think we are sorted for now, and hopefully I'll see some birds coming over to have a bit of a drink today. Beautiful day today. We've worked out that having Eris around Freya is really good because he's always far too noisy, so she never has a chance to really hunt the wildlife because he won't let her. He's always following her around, making noise and wrecking her stealth. There's 3 different types of little bird seed feeders that I want to make today. So the first one I want to make is pretty simple. It's just going to be a bowl filled with seeds, and I'm going to try put like a pot on top, cover it with rocks so that it looks a little bit nicer, and cut an opening for the birds and the seeds to be in, and I think that'll keep them safer. I have the perfect spot for this when it's finished, so I can't wait to do that. I need to find pebbles that are fairly flat on one side because they'll stick better. And the smaller the better. Doing a puzzle inside, but this is so much better than any puzzle. It's like nature's puzzle out here. Oh my gosh, Eris. What are you doing? Protect the birds from the cat. Oh my god. My god, and now she's telling me she can't get out. Yes. Oh, silly cat. Do you approve? As I said, I have the perfect place for it. So, let's go put it up. This works. Can you imagine it? The next feeder I'm going to do is going to be a hanging feeder. So I've got 2 sticks which I'm going to hang together with some string, and then this is where I really want the ornaments to come into play, because I want them to hang down, and that way the ornaments are hanging from one stick and then the birds can be sitting on the one below. So hopefully that'll work as well. You can hear all the beautiful birds around us. If you're a bird watcher or you know anything about their sounds, if you recognize any of the birds, let me know down below. I know my friend Louisa is going to be all over that. The most beautiful parrots were here drinking the water, and I didn't get to capture it because I was too far away and I scared them off. So I've decided that I don't want to make any bird ornaments because I don't feel comfortable feeding birds glycerine or corn syrup or whatever else they say to join the seeds together with. I would rather keep it natural for them, just the seeds. So what I've decided to do is I had these like red plastic cups that you usually use to play beer pong and whatever else. Don't ask me why I have so many, but I cut them so that they're much smaller. I drilled a couple of holes in them as well, and I think it's going to be a better idea just to fill these with seeds instead. There's one. Check it out. Yay! Now let's figure out where we want to hang it. Are you helping? Not for bugs. I haven't thought through where I'm going to hang that one up. I do want it somewhere near our bedroom window so we can see the birds. So I'm thinking maybe up here next to the wind chimes, especially because there are trees here that the birds like to rest on, and there's all of the trees out there, so maybe that'll attract some different kinds of birds. I'm not sure. I'm going to go see if I can attract some birds to my waterers with a few seeds. Let's see if we can bribe them. I'm crossing my fingers that some birds are going to come and drink out of the waterers, but for now I need to take the garbage out, and I have some stickers that I want to put on the garbage bins as well. It's the little things you've got to get excited for out here in the country. And that's how you take out the bin here in the country. It'll work.
I guess we'll see.